up guys, so today we will be making a really cute fall wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: a wreath ring. You will also need some chenille stems. I chose glitter orange, but you can choose whatever color you'd like. And also some Deco mesh. You will also need scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut each of my 3 rolls of Deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And I've cut my chenille stems in half. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my bundles before I start placing them on the ring. The bundle consists of 1 piece of Deco mesh in each of the 3 colors and also a chenille stem. What we're going to do is just roll the Deco mesh at a diagonal, each color. Just like that, scrunch it together. Use your chenille stem and twist it. So I like to mix the colors that I have on top just to make it more cute and fun. So again, and you can, if you choose, you can roll the pieces in cute little curls like this. But for this specific wreath, I want to roll it at a diagonal. Or you can do a mixture of the two if you'd like. So for this one, I'm doing brown on the bottom, orange in the middle, white on the top. And I'll just keep alternating. Scrunch it. And place the stem. And twist it. Just like that. And again, if you want 4 pieces of Deco mesh in each bundle, less, it's completely up to you. But I have 3 pieces in each bundle, and I'm going to have 6 bundles in each of my 6 sections. So I'm going to go ahead and make my bundles, and then we'll come back and start placing it. Alright, so now I have my bundles, and it's going to be just that much easier to place them on the ring. Again, I have all different patterns. I have some with white on top, brown on top, orange. I just mixed it up to make it look nice and pretty. Now it's finally time to place them on the ring. When placing them on the ring, just take the first bundle and place it on the inner 2 rings. And just twist it. Just like that. And take the next bundle. That's why I like to go ahead and make the bundles beforehand, because it just makes the process so much easier and faster. And twist it and place it over. And it's showing right now, but once we get more bundles in place, you'll be able to kind of maneuver it and adjust it and make it nice and fluffy. Just fluff it up to make it look even cuter. And once you get more Deco mesh, it'll be easier to kind of maneuver it just like that. But this is one section. It looks so cute and fun already. And we're just going to place the rest of them, and I'll show you the finished product. So this is what it's looking like so far. So now I'm going to, and this step is optional, I'm going to take the chenille stems, since they're so cute and glittery and sparkly. They just fit in perfectly with my color scheme. I'm going to add them in throughout the wreath, and I'm going to curl them with my scissors. Just like that. Again, if you have something else you'd like to add, pumpkins or whatever decor you have, you can definitely add as many embellishments as you'd like. also decided to add these adorable styrofoam balls, which were also purchased at Dollar Tree. They're so cute. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun, place a dot of glue on the back, place a nice amount of glue on the back, and then place them all throughout the wreath. And you are all done. It's so cute and adorable and perfect for fall.